Welcome to my video. Hi there. In this Bash crash course, you will learn the Bash basics. You will learn about variables, about conditionals, about inputs, outputs, etc. etc. So you could start reading your own Bash scripts and automate your daily tasks. If you want, for example, create an environment for 100 workmates, you can provide this method. It's very quickly, it's very efficient. Working with scripts. Bash is a Unix shell and command interpreter. It is widely on various operating systems, and it is also the default command interpreter on most Linux systems.
Bash stands for Born Again Shell. As with other shells, you can use Bash interactively directly in your terminal. And also you can use Bash like any other programming language to write scripts. This video will help you learn the basics of Bash scripting. In order to write Bash scripts, you just need a Unix terminal, something like this, okay, and a text editor like VS Code or a terminal-based editor like Vim or Nano. In this case, my preference is Vim, okay. Vim is very quickly, is very efficient than Nano. Let's start by creating a new file with a .sh extension. As an example, we could create a file called file1.sh. To create that file, you can use the touch command, touch file1.sh, okay? ls, the file is in this directory, or you can use your text editor instead. For remove before file, you can use rm and name of file, okay? Clear. You can use your text editor instead. In my case, with vim file1.sh, okay? In order to execute run a Bash script file with a Bash shell interpreter, the first line of a script file must indicate the absolute path to the Bash executable. Sign of numbers, sign of exclamation, slash bin. Sorry, I'm beginner and this layout, the correct layout, okay? Bash. This line, also called a shebang. However, Bash is not always in /bin/bash directory, particularly on non-Linux systems or due to installation as an optional package. Thus, you may want to use sign of number, sign of exclamation, slash usr slash bin slash m bash. Once we have our file, we are ready to create our first hello world bash script. To do that, add the following sentence, okay? Echo quotation mark and hello world. Save the file and exit. You can write chmod +x file1.sh. You can run it with dot slash file1.sh. Okay. Another way to run the script will be bash file1.sh. Okay. As bash can be used interactively, you could run the following command directly in your terminal and you will get the same result. Echo quotation mark hello world and quotation mark. As in any other programming language, you can use variables in bash scripting as well. However, there are no data types, and a variable in bash can contain numbers as well as characters. To assign a value to a variable, all you need to do is use the equals sign. For example, name equals John, for example. You can not have spaces before and after the equals sign. After that, to access the variable, you have to use the dollar symbol. For example, echo dollar symbol and name. Okay. Dropping the variable name between curly brackets is considered a good practice, and I would advise you to use them whenever you can. Sorry. Next, let's update our file script and include a variable in it. Okay. vim file1.sh, and for example, adding our name variable here in the file with a welcome message. Our name of variable is name. Name equals quotation mark Gilberto quotation mark echo hi there name. Save it and run the file using the command /name of our script. /name of our script. Hi there, Gilberto. At first, we specify our shebang. Then we define a variable called name and assign a value to it. Finally, we output the content of the variable on the screen as a welcome message by using echo. You can also add multiple variables in the file. Okay, you can provide vim file1.sh, for example, greeting equals hello sign of dollar and the variable greeting. Save the file and run it again. You will see the following output on your screen. Hello, the value of the variable name. You can also add variables in the command line outside the bash script, and they can be read as parameters. For example, echo hello there, sign of dollar and 1. This is the syntaxes. Sign of dollar, then 1 is the first input. Okay? For example, you can execute with ./file1 and then a parameter. For example, Pepe. Hello there, Pepe. This is the first parameter, okay? First parameter. You can write the sentence for second parameter, okay? Hello there, sign of dollar 2, second parameter. For example, Pepe Cuenca. Another useful method for reading variables is the sign of dollar at, which reads all inputs. For example, you can write echo hello there, sign of dollar and at. Sign of dollar at means all parameters. You can save it and run it again. ./file1.sh. For example, Pepe Cuenca. For example, hello there, Pepe. Hello there, Cuenca. Hello there, Pepe Cuenca. The output of this line is all parameters.